In this video, I'll introduce how to use the IR sensor. So for the IR sensor, you can see that there are 3 pins, and the 3 pins are out, ground, and VCC respectively. To connect the 3 pins on the IR sensor, you have to connect the VCC to the 5 volts. If it is connected to the 3.3 volts, it will not function correctly. And for the ground, you have to connect to the black pins, the ground pins here. And for the output pins, please connect to P1, or other output pins. For the program, we drag if then else from logic and drag to forever to detect it continuously. And then click logic again, drag comparison equals and replace the true. And after that, click advanced and click pins and drag this digital read pin P0 to the first blank here. Change P0 to P1 as we have used pin 1 to detect the signal from the IR sensor. IR sensor will output a 0 if there is something in front of the IR sensor, and it will output 1 if there is nothing in front of it. For the testing program, we will make use of show number to show the result from the IR sensor. So if there is anything in front of the sensor, it will output a 0, and the microbit will show a 0 in the LED. And it will show number 1 if there is nothing in front of the IR sensor. We can now copy this program into the microbit. So let's see the results. After copying the program, we can now switch on the robot bits, and you can see that there is an LED lights up on the IR sensor. If there is anything in front of the IR sensor, it will light up one more LED. So you can double check this for your results. So now let's check with the microbit. If there's nothing in front of the LED, in front of IR sensor, you can see that now the number shown is number 1. And if I put my finger in front of the IR sensor, so you can see that now the number will change to 0. And I remove my finger again, and it will change back to 1.